G'day DIYers. We're starting another bathroom here. I'm going to first of all take off this door, then take out this screen, start demolishing the shower. Please DIYers, don't do silicone like that. I show you how to do silicone, please don't do it like that. I'm going to be putting a small niche in here. They don't want it on this wall now. There's a lot of water that goes over this way, so I put one in there. I'm tiling where the tiles are now. I'll be going over this floor, trimming the door, doing a skirting tile there, and then doing the toilet floor and new skirting. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.